Question 1. Topic: Underwriting and premium determination. When underwriting a healthcare insurance policy, what is the primary reason for classifying applicants as preferred or standard or substandard? A. To ensure that all applicants receive the same premium rate regardless of their risk profile. B. To determine the amount of coverage an applicant is eligible to purchase. C. To assess the level of risk the insurer will take on and adjust the premium accordingly. D. To categorize applicants based on their employment status and income level. Answer: C. Explanation. Underwriting is the process by which insurers evaluate the risk of insuring a particular individual. Classifying applicants into preferred, standard, or substandard categories helps the insurer assess the level of risk associated with providing coverage. High-risk applicants, substandard, are charged higher premiums to account for the increased likelihood of claims. This classification ensures that the insurer remains financially solvent while offering coverage. Relevant law. The Pennsylvania Department of Insurance mandates that insurers apply fair underwriting practices without discrimination. However, insurers can adjust premiums based on risk factors like age, health status, and lifestyle habits in accordance with the Affordable Care Act account guidelines. Question 2. Scenario-based. Topic: Claims process. Mr. Martinez recently underwent a medical procedure that he believed was covered under his healthcare plan. However, after filing a claim, he received an explanation of benefits EOB indicating that his claim was denied due to an exclusion in his policy. Mr. Martinez is unsure of the next steps. What should he do to resolve this issue? A. Accept the denial and pay the medical expenses out of pocket. B. File an appeal with his insurance company, providing supporting documentation to challenge the denial. C. Contact the healthcare provider to request a retroactive adjustment to his policy. D. Switch to a new insurance provider to avoid further issues. Answer: B. Explanation. When a claim is denied, policyholders have the right to appeal the decision. Mr. Martinez should file an appeal with his insurance company, providing relevant medical records or additional documentation that supports his case. The Affordable Care Act account requires insurers to provide clear explanations for denials and allows policyholders to request an internal and external review of the decision. Relevant rule. The Pennsylvania Department of Insurance requires insurers to establish a formal process for handling claim denials and appeals, ensuring consumers have the opportunity to challenge decisions. Question 3. Topic: Pennsylvania Healthcare Insurance Regulations. Which of the following is a key consumer protection under Pennsylvania healthcare insurance regulations? A. Insurers can refuse to renew a policy if the policyholder develops a serious medical condition. B. Insurers must cover pre-existing conditions without imposing waiting periods or exclusions. C. Insurers can charge different premiums based on an individual's health status and medical history. D. Insurers are not required to provide coverage for children under any circumstance. Answer: B. Explanation. Pennsylvania healthcare insurance regulations, in alignment with the Affordable Care Act account, prohibit insurers from denying coverage or charging higher premiums due to pre-existing conditions. This regulation ensures that individuals with chronic illnesses or medical history can access healthcare coverage without facing discrimination. Relevant law. The Pennsylvania Department of Insurance enforces these consumer protections, ensuring that insurers comply with both federal and state laws aimed at improving access to healthcare and preventing unfair practices. Question 4. Topic: Policy provisions and contract law. Which of the following policy provisions ensures that a healthcare insurance policy cannot be terminated by the insurer as long as premiums are paid on time? A. Conditionally renewable. B. Non-cancelable. C. Grace period. D. Reinstatement. Answer: B. Explanation. A non-cancelable provision guarantees that the insurer cannot cancel the policy or increase the premium as long as the policyholder continues to pay the premiums on time. This offers maximum protection to the insured. In contrast, a conditionally renewable policy allows the insurer to cancel under certain conditions, such as changes in regulations. Relevant rule. The Pennsylvania Department of Insurance regulates policy provisions to ensure consumer protection. The grace period provision gives additional time to pay premiums but does not guarantee non-cancellation. Question 5. Topic: Healthcare provider and patient relations. In a healthcare insurance plan, what happens when a patient seeks care from an out-of-network provider? A. The insurer covers the full cost of the services. B. The patient is responsible for A higher out-of-pocket cost. C. The patient must switch providers immediately to remain insured. D. The insurer denies all claims for out-of-network care. Answer. B. Explanation. In most healthcare insurance plans, especially PPOS, preferred provider organizations, patients can seek care from out-of-network providers, but they will incur higher out-of-pocket costs compared to using in-network providers. The insurer may cover a portion of the out-of-network services, but it's typically less than in-network coverage. Relevant rule. The Pennsylvania Department of Insurance requires insurers to clearly disclose network rules and out-of-network reimbursement rates to policyholders. Question 6. Scenario-based. Topic: Pennsylvania Healthcare Insurance Regulations. MS. Johnson recently lost her job and her healthcare insurance through her employer. She is worried about losing coverage for herself and her children. Which regulation would allow her to continue her healthcare insurance coverage temporarily? A. CHIP Children's Health Insurance Program. B. COBRA Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act. C. Guaranteed Renewability Clause. D. Medicaid Expansion. Answer. B. Explanation. COBRA allows individuals to continue their employer-sponsored healthcare insurance for a limited time after losing their job, while MS. Johnson will have to pay the full premium herself. COBRA ensures she and her dependents won't experience gap in coverage. Relevant rule. Pennsylvania COBRA regulations align with federal law, ensuring that employees of businesses with 20 or more employees can maintain their healthcare coverage after job loss for up to 1836 months. Question 7. Topic: Specialized healthcare insurance coverages. Which of the following disability income insurance policies would provide the highest level of protection for a policyholder? A. Any occupation policy. B. Own occupation policy. C. Partial disability policy. D. Residual disability policy. Answer. B. Explanation. An own occupation policy provides the highest level of protection because it pays benefits if the insured is unable to perform the specific duties of their own occupation, even if they can work in another capacity. In contrast, an any occupation policy only pays if the insured is unable to work in any job they are reasonably qualified for. Relevant rule. Disability insurance policies must comply with Pennsylvania Department of Insurance guidelines regarding definitions of disability and policyholder rights. Question 8. Topic: Federal healthcare laws and programs. Under the Affordable Care Act, which of the following is classified as an essential health benefit that all healthcare plans must cover? A. Cosmetic surgery. B. Adult dental care. C. Maternity and newborn care. D. Over-the-counter medications. Answer. C. Explanation. The ACA mandates that all qualified healthcare plans cover essential health benefits including maternity and newborn care, mental health services, and prescription drugs. Non-essential items such as cosmetic surgery and over-the-counter medications are typically not covered. Relevant law. The ACAT Section 1302(b) outlines the 10 categories of essential health benefits that all insurance policies must include. Question 9. Topic: Claims process. Which of the following is a common reason for claim denial in healthcare insurance? A. The insured filed a claim within the grace period. B. The insured used an in-network provider for services. C. The services provided were deemed medically unnecessary. D. The insurer failed to receive the monthly premium payment. Answer. C. Explanation. A common reason for claim denial is that the insurer deems the services medically unnecessary. Insurers often require pre-authorization for certain procedures to determine their medical necessity. If a procedure is not justified as necessary according to the insurer's guidelines, the claim may be denied. Relevant rule. The Pennsylvania Department of Insurance requires insurers to provide clear explanations for claim denials and allow policyholders to appeal such decisions. Question 10. Topic: Group healthcare insurance. Which of the following statements about COBRA continuation coverage is correct? A. COBRA applies to all employers, regardless of size. B. COBRA allows employees to continue coverage for up to 12 months after job termination. C. COBRA requires the employer to pay the full premium for the employee's coverage. D. COBRA allows employees to retain their healthcare coverage by paying the full premium themselves. Answer. D. Explanation. Under COBRA, employees can continue their employer-sponsored healthcare coverage after job termination by paying the full premium themselves, including any portion previously covered by the employer. COBRA typically lasts for 1836 months depending on the qualifying event. Relevant rule: Pennsylvania COBRA laws align with federal regulations requiring businesses with 20 or more employees to offer continuation coverage to former employees. Question 11. Topic: Ethical practices and responsibilities. Which of the following is considered an unfair trade practice under Pennsylvania healthcare insurance laws? A. Offering a discount to customers who pay annually. B. Refusing to cover elective cosmetic procedures. C. Misrepresenting the terms of a policy to a potential customer. D. Providing educational materials about healthcare coverage. Answer: See explanation. Misrepresenting policy terms is an unfair trade practice and is strictly prohibited by Pennsylvania law. Insurance agents and brokers have a fiduciary duty to provide accurate, truthful information to clients. Any form of misrepresentation or persuading a client to switch policies based on misleading information is considered unethical and illegal. Relevant law: the Pennsylvania Unfair Insurance Practices Act outlines the prohibited practices including misrepresentation, fraud, and coercion to protect consumers. Question 12. Topic: Policy types and features. Which of the following long-term care (LTC) insurance policy features helps protect the policyholder from rising healthcare costs due to inflation? A. Waiver of premium. B. Elimination period. C. Inflation protection rider. D. Guaranteed insurability. Correct answer: C. Explanation. The inflation protection rider ensures that the policy benefits increase over time to keep pace with rising healthcare costs. Without this feature, the policyholder's coverage might become inadequate as healthcare expenses grow. Relevant rule: the Pennsylvania Insurance Department encourages insurers to offer inflation protection to protect policyholders from future cost increases. Question 13. Topic: Policy exclusions and limitations. Which of the following is a common exclusion in healthcare insurance policies? A. Emergency room visits. B. Pre-existing conditions. C. Preventive care services. D. Experimental treatments. Correct answer: D. Explanation. Healthcare insurance policies typically exclude experimental treatments because they are not proven to be effective or safe. Coverage is generally provided only for medically necessary and evidence-based treatments. Relevant rule: the Affordable Care Act prohibits exclusions for pre-existing conditions, but policies can still exclude experimental or investigational treatments. Question 14. Topic: Pennsylvania state-specific rules. Under Pennsylvania law, healthcare insurance providers are required to offer mental health and substance use disorder coverage that is comparable to A. Preventive services. B. Dental coverage. C. Medical and surgical benefits. D. Vision coverage. Answer: C. Explanation. Pennsylvania law mandates parity in mental health coverage, meaning that insurance providers must offer mental health and substance use disorder benefits on the same terms as medical and surgical benefits in compliance with the Mental Health Parity and Addiction Equity Act (MHPA). Question 15. Topic: Claims and billing processes. A healthcare insurance claim can be denied for which of the following reasons? A. The insured provided their policy number during the visit. B. The healthcare provider filed the claim within the specified time frame. C. The service was deemed medically unnecessary. D. The insured was treated at an in-network facility. Answer: C. Explanation. Claims can be denied if the insurer determines that the service provided was medically unnecessary. Insurers require healthcare providers to justify the need for certain procedures or treatments. Question 16. Scenario-based. Topic: COBRA continuation coverage. Mr. Smith was laid off from his job at a company with 50 employees. He wishes to continue his healthcare coverage for himself and his family. What must Mr. Smith do to maintain coverage under COBRA? A. Apply for Medicaid. B. Pay the full premium for his existing policy. C. Enroll in a new insurance plan through the marketplace. D. Wait for his employer to cover his premiums. Answer: B. Explanation. Under COBRA, Mr. Smith can continue his employer-sponsored healthcare insurance by paying the full premium, including the portion that his employer previously paid. Relevant rule: the Pennsylvania Department of Insurance enforces COBRA regulations that align with federal laws. Question 17. Topic: Healthcare insurance terms. What is the purpose of the coordination of benefits (COB) clause in a healthcare insurance policy? A. To increase the policyholder's premiums. B. To prevent overinsurance by determining the primary payer. C. To reduce the insured's coverage options. D. To automatically deny secondary claims. Answer B. Explanation. The coordination of benefits clause ensures that if a policyholder has multiple insurance plans, one plan is designated as the primary payer and the other as the secondary payer to avoid duplicate payments for the same claim. Question 18. Topic: Healthcare plans. Which type of healthcare insurance plan requires policyholders to choose a primary care physician (PCP) and obtain referrals to see specialists? A. EPA Preferred Provider Organization. B. HMO Health Maintenance Organization. ATHP High Deductible Health Plan. D. EPO Exclusive Provider Organization. Answer B. Explanation. An HMO requires policyholders to select a primary care physician (PCP) who coordinates all healthcare services. Referrals from the PCP are necessary to see specialists except in emergencies. Question 19. Topic: Affordable Care Act requirements. Under the Affordable Care Act, account individuals must report a qualifying life event yearly to enroll in a new healthcare plan outside the open enrollment period. Which of the following is an example of a qualifying life event? A. Deciding to switch doctors. B. A change in marital status. C. Missing a doctor's appointment. D. Renewing driver's license. Answer B. Explanation. A change in marital status, such as getting married or divorced, is considered a qualifying life event, under the account allowing individuals to enroll in a new healthcare plan outside the standard enrollment period. Question 20. Topic: Medicare and Medicaid. Which of the following is a primary difference between Medicare and Medicaid? A. Medicare is based on income, while Medicaid is age-based. B. Medicaid is funded entirely by state governments. C. Medicare covers individuals 65 and older, while Medicaid is for low-income individuals. D. Medicaid covers prescription drugs, while Medicare does not. Answer C. Explanation. Medicare is a federal program that primarily covers individuals 65 and older or those with certain disabilities. Medicaid is a means-tested program for low-income individuals and is jointly funded by federal and state governments. Question 21. Topic: Pennsylvania state-specific rules. Pennsylvania's Children's Health Insurance Program, CHIP, provides healthcare coverage for 8 children from low-income families only. B. Children regardless of family income. C. Only children with pre-existing conditions. D. Only children whose parents are unemployed. Answer B. Explanation. Pennsylvania's CHIP provides healthcare coverage for all children regardless of family income. Families with higher incomes may pay premium, while lower income families receive the coverage for free. Question 22. Topic: Provider network types. Which of the following statements about a preferred provider organization (PPO) is true? A. PPOs require policyholders to choose a primary care physician. B. PPOs require referrals to see specialists. C. PPOs provide greater flexibility in choosing healthcare providers. D. PPOs do not cover out-of-network care. Answer C. Explanation. PPO provides greater flexibility in choosing healthcare providers compared to HMOs. Policyholders can see out-of-network providers, but they will pay higher out-of-pocket costs than if they use in-network providers. Question 23. Topic: Medicare coverage. Which of the following services is covered under Medicare Part A? Prescription drugs. B. Outpatient medical care. C. Hospital stays and inpatient care. D. Routine vision and dental care. Answer C. Explanation. Medicare Part A covers hospital stays, inpatient care, skilled nursing facility care, and some home health care services. Prescription drugs are covered under Medicare Part D, and outpatient care is covered under Part B. Question 24. Topic: Pennsylvania CHIP program. In Pennsylvania, CHIP, Children's Health Insurance Program, provides coverage for A. Only children with disabilities. B. Children from uninsured families. C. All children under the age of 19, regardless of family income. D. Children whose parents are employed in the healthcare industry. Answer C. Explanation. Pennsylvania's CHIP program provides healthcare coverage for all children under the age of 19, regardless of family income. Families with higher incomes may pay premium, while lower income families receive coverage at no cost. Question 25. Topic: Pre-authorization requirements. Which type of healthcare service is most likely to require pre-authorization from an insurance provider? A. Emergency room visit. B. Annual wellness exam. C. Elective surgery. D. Prescription for antibiotics. Answer C. Explanation. Elective surgeries often require pre-authorization to ensure that the procedure is medically necessary. Emergency services and preventive care generally do not require pre-authorization. Question 26. Topic: Affordable Care Act. Under the Affordable Care Act, insurers are prohibited from A. Offering multiple coverage tiers, B. Charging higher premiums based on tobacco use, C. Denying coverage due to pre-existing conditions, D. Offering free preventive care services. Answer: C. Explanation. The ACA prohibits insurers from denying coverage or charging higher premiums to individuals with pre-existing conditions. The ACA also requires insurers to provide certain preventive services at no cost. Question 27. Topic: Insurance terminology. What is a deductible in a healthcare insurance policy? A. The portion of the bill paid by the insurer. B. The amount the insured must pay before insurance kicks in. C. The monthly premium amount. D. The total out-of-pocket limit. Answer: B. Explanation. The deductible is the amount the insured must pay out of pocket before the insurance company begins to cover expenses. After the deductible is met, the insurer pays a portion of the remaining costs. Question 28. Scenario-based topic: Policyholder rights and responsibilities scenario. Mr. Johnson was recently diagnosed with a chronic illness. His doctor recommended a new treatment that is not yet FDA approved. His insurance company denies the claim, stating that the treatment is experimental. What action can Mr. Johnson take to challenge this decision? They ignore the denial and submit the claim again. B. Request an internal appeal from his insurer. C. File a complaint with his healthcare provider. D. Switch to a new insurance policy. Answer: B. Explanation. Policyholders have the right to request an internal appeal if a claim is denied. If the appeal is denied, they can request an external review by an independent third party. Question 29. Topic: Medicaid eligibility. In Pennsylvania, which group is eligible for Medicaid coverage? A. All residents regardless of income. B. Only individuals over the age of 65. C. Low-income individuals and families, pregnant women, and people with disabilities. D. Only individuals employed in healthcare professions. Answer: C. Explanation. Medicaid provides coverage for low-income individuals and families, pregnant women, children, the elderly, and people with disabilities. Eligibility is based on income and other criteria. Question 30. Topic: Healthcare plan types. Which healthcare plan type typically has lower premiums but higher out-of-pocket costs? A. IPA, Preferred Provider Organization. B. ATEMA, Health Maintenance Organization. A. ISHPA, High Deductible Health Plan. D. IPA, Exclusive Provider Organization. Answer: C. Explanation. A high deductible HELP AHPO features lower monthly premiums but higher out-of-pocket costs, making it suitable for individuals who are generally healthy and have minimal healthcare needs.